Hello guys, today my grocery arrived and I am quite excited to unbox it because the Go-To was good too, but it wasn't that good. It didn't have a lot of base, but as you can see it's a bit bigger. I think it's a bit bigger from what I see. It's a bit bigger than the Go-To too. So I'm gonna try to see if it's better than the Go-To, which is gonna be. So let's try to unbox it. How can I open this? Yep. How can I? Oh, I'm a bit dumb. I'm so excited. The model number. I don't need to forget it though. NDHK 20 August 22. And like my chart for blue. Really interesting. Was the same month and year made like my charge for blue. How can I open this for real now? This. Okay. Okay. I just need to start this out. Oh. Oh. Oh damn! This thing feels nice. Whew, get out of here! This thing feels so much better than the Go-To. Nice fabric all over the place right there. It has even those new fit like the Extreme 3 has. Huh. Interesting. It even has this which the Go-To didn't have. So that's the new addition right here. This is good. This is a good addition. USB-C charging port. A patch, like maybe try to grip it. I don't even know. It's rubber. There's like minus, play pause and plus. Bluetooth, a power button, a indicator for how much battery it has. I don't know if it even says how much battery it has. I don't think it's like the Ui Boom speakers, but that's how it is. Let's try to see. It's searching. The frick? How was that? JBL Go, see right there. It's pairing. Is it? Yeah. Let's try. Let's see how it is. I'm so curious. I'm just gonna go and pick a song right now, and this one, just a random one. Max.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you...
Pretty good. Actually, it's way better to Go-To be honest. Now I'll show you. Should we take the cover part? I think we should. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, see how this thing looks inside, because I'm so curious too. So let's see how can I get in the inside of this thing. So I think we need to open up right from here. I'm not sure. I don't want to break it though. Okay, it's opened up. It's my first time opening Go 3 in my life, so bear with me, guys. Okay. So, oh damn, it's actually harder than I thought. Shit. I got that. Now I need to get this part out. But don't ask me how, cause I mean I didn't really watch the tutorials how to take apart a Go 3, but I'm gonna try my best. Does it have like a screw on the cover? No, it doesn't. Oh, that's interesting. I don't want to break it. I swear to God, I don't want to break this thing. Help. Help. Oh, shit. I'm gonna try to take it apart off camera without breaking it. It's gonna take too much. Well, I got it successful out without breaking anything. Nice and sealed and waterproof. Good. Good. Go 3. Good job doing it. You did a good job on this one. Not the Go 2 because it had air leaks. Nice and sealed. So, yeah, the driver looks nice. Look at this thing. Check this thing out. That's proper rubber, I think. Oh, even dimples. First nice and in, and nothing happens. Good, just try to see how much.
You have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby? Why do I?
Come on.
Feeling.
I'm gonna see if that low frequency mode thing it's real. Someone said like I saw some comments like you need to put. Oh god damn it, phone. You need to like press Bluetooth, not Bluetooth, plus and minus like flip FreeSC and or essential. So I'm gonna try if it's real. If it's not, then fake it. As you see, it's not real. It's fake. So if I'm right with the buttons for my taste, I did click plus and minus for even 15 seconds. So it's fake. The video that it was. So, or I don't know, but maybe they are real. Maybe they are fake. But on my course, it doesn't work this. So it doesn't have low frequency mode. You don't really need a low frequency mode on Go 3 anyways, because it's a weak speaker. It's not a Flip 4 or something. So it's just a look how small this speaker is, like pretty small. So you cannot put in enough frequency mode, which is impossible to do. But I'm happy that it is like this, how it is. I don't really care if that's the FM or not. At least it sounds perfect to me. Look at this dude. Well, there you go. This is the speaker for y'all what been waiting for, and myself too. So yeah, more videos coming with this thing. I haven't been doing a JBL Go 2 video like for a long time. Like looking like this. But I don't know if I should even do a Go 2 vs Go 3. Basically because my Go 3 isn't too good anymore. It doesn't look like this anymore, like original. So Should I even do a comparison test with the Go 3? Just let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close the video here and upload something else, because I don't know. So yeah, see ya.